Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker's American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for Yorkshire pudding. I actually haven't made that many British recipes on my channel before. This is a British recipe, very popular during the holidays, but it's really surprisingly easy to make, so let's get started. Only a few simple ingredients. We need 1 1/4 cup or 140 grams of flour, 4 eggs, 3/4 cup or 200 milliliters of milk, salt and pepper to taste. I used 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon pepper. In a large mixing bowl, combine flour and eggs. Beat until well combined. Slowly add milk while beating. Add salt and pepper. Beat for a minute or two to fully activate the gluten. Pour the batter in a pourable container for convenience. Before adding the batter, heat an oiled metal muffin form in the oven, preheated at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 210 degrees Celsius. Pour the batter into the hot muffin form. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 210 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. They will rise a lot. These Yorkshire puddings are not sweet. There is no sugar in the recipe. They taste more like dinner rolls, but eggier. They make a much easier to make alternative to dinner rolls, which is probably why they are popular in the holidays. They're mostly empty on the inside and can be served immediately after taking out of the oven. Perfect for scooping up gravy. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.